Israel is playing a very pivotal and crucial role in the growth of Muslim community here in Australia. When I pivoted into this phase of my career of being an educator, I wanted to root myself in Islam and be able to do what I do based on Islam. And I gained that practical skills, the language, the tool, the framework that I can now use in my coaching. Not only that, a lot of my clients are Muslim as well. So I've been able to offer my mentoring for them to be able to express their religion. I've been able to use a lot of what I learned from Islamic psychology in particular to incorporate it into my parenting. And that's been really, really good, because as I was studying Islamic psychology, my son was going through so-called difficult or challenging teenage years. And alhamdulillah, it smoothed things out, just put it that way.